How's it going, everyone? My name is Nick Palmer, and I am doing my presentation on aluminum. As you can see that picture on your left. Material type: it is a metal. Some properties of metals are is it is malleable, which means it can be beaten into thin sheets using a hammer. High tensile strength, could withstand large loads. Generally hard, meaning hard to scratch, hard to make brittle. High ductility, in other words, flexible, deforms a lot before failure, and it's relatively stiff, which means it deforms less under large loads, and it's non-transparent as all metals are. Advantages and limitations. Advantages: lightweight, which is very important for a bike, I feel, because you don't want to have a very heavy metal, meaning it'll be harder to pedal. Corrosion resistant. It's resistant to water corrosion, which is very key because just in case you leave your bike out. Impermeable and odorless, which is nice. Reflective. This could be helpful at night when cars are passing by and they see you. It's very strong. Definitely want strong in a bike frame because it can withstand crashes, large people who are riding it, etc. And it's economic. It's pretty cheap. It does have some limitations, however. It's electrically conductive, so God forbid you get caught in a lightning storm, you want to be careful. It requires special processes to be welded, which I'll talk about in a little bit. It's also abrasive to tooling and is more rare and more expensive than steel. Availability. Aluminum is one of the most abundant metals in Earth's crust. However, it is all found combined with another element that creates compounds. It's usually found with potassium. Um, Therefore, you need manufacturing to separate it and get aluminum by itself. Many first world countries produce aluminum. I think the world top producer is China. Uh, but however, even third world countries in Africa and Indonesia even have power plants to separate this metal. It is also pretty cheap. It's about 60 cents per kilogram. And yeah, here's my references. And in conclusion, in my opinion, I feel that aluminum is probably one of the best materials you could use to build a bike frame because of the reasons I provided before. Thank you.